This is really critical. I don't know where it got stuck here. I'm gonna give you one of the life hacks as you travel to the northern part. I think it's really beautiful. There are several reasons why you want to enjoy both Nikosias, the southern Nikosia in Cyprus and the northern part. One of the things is just, we enjoy the food. We enjoy the Cypriot food. We love halloumi, you name it. I mean, it's really amazing. But in the northern part, there are some other flavors, Turkish cuisine, which you're gonna really enjoy. And this is really wonderful. From the place where you enter the city to get to the border, about 15-minute drive. But make sure, guys, you drive on the left side of the road. This is the tricky part where every traveler or every visitor should remember this very simple thing. This is really critical. We're inside the city. Just want to remind you that it is 50 kilometers per hour. Don't fill up your tank in your car with gasoline full. Just have it, half. This is really critical because the price is really different up in the north. So here, for example, today is February, we're gonna pay like €1.35 per liter. In the northern part, you're gonna pay basically €1, like 35%, 40% less than the price here in the southern part. So we arrived at the border. It really took us about 10 minutes to drive through the city. And as I see, not many cars were moving. As you see, we're not, standing and waiting in a traffic jam. There are about 20 cars in front of us. So we're about to cross the border. Just look right here. There is a car with the red plates. That means it is a rental car. And what you want to make sure, this is a very important thing, that not every rental car can cross the border to the northern part. You want to make sure that your car rental service puts a special stamp that allows you to cross the border. Otherwise, they're not going to let you into the northern part. There's about a couple hundred meters between the Cypriot border and the northern border where the Turkish part is, so we're approaching it very close. Not many cars, passport control. Oh, this is where you buy insurance. I think you can see that. You actually, pay some 25 euros per day, and you can go to the northern part. Like it says, peace at home, peace in the world. Unfortunately, there was a war, so we're now in the northern part. Because only basically 15 minutes to cross the border, so we like it. Very easy, very good service at the border on both sides, the Cypriot part, the Turkish part, and we enjoyed it very much because we see, it's really easy. Now you get to the city. Basically, it's another like 10-minute drive and you're right there. And it's a different life, different culture, different food, different people, but you're gonna like it. It's really beautiful. So this is where at the border on the way back from the northern part to the southern part, crossing the border, just a few cars in front of us. It's really easy, guys. So we're in between the northern part and the southern part, and as you can see, it's going to take another 10 to probably 15 minutes. There are several cars just in front of us, but there are two lines, and they process documents quickly. So again, we like the fact that they don't put any stamps in your passport, and so it's really convenient and it's really fast. So we're approaching the passport control. It's really fast.
Next window.
All right. Hi. Yes, yes. Yeah, so we crossed the border and it's really quick. You know, they checked our documents and really took us about 15 minutes. I don't know, we got stuck here, just arrived. I think we should go quickly. Maybe customs. I think it is customs. Yeah, we've never seen that, but sometimes they even don't check your car, don't open your trunk, and so you can pass by. But maybe they will stop us this time. Nobody stopped us, and yeah, we're already on the Southern Cyprus part, and it was really quick. Yeah, so enjoy. Next time you travel, make sure you buy some gasoline on the way back. It's just, you know, a few minutes away. You can find some gas stations, and so plan your travel accordingly. We are in Cyprus. By the way, they call Cyprus the northern part as well. That's the story. Yeah, we're back in Nikosia.